Okay, hey guys, this is part 2. I'm sorry, my mom came in to check on me, and I turned my phone off and the video kind of stopped. So as I was saying, I added like that little hoop thing to still have holes, and then added the forehead. That's how I make my dragons. And then I just put it in there, and then I don't really show the other side of blue magma too much, but here it is. It's supposed to mean he ran out of magma. Alright, there. Oh! Okay, stay. Sorry, I had to move the camera a little bit because the phone fell. My phone does not like to stay. So back to what we were doing. We're still making the 4 jaw bases. Dang. Oh wait, this is still going? I thought this was paused. Oh, bruh. Okay, I'm gonna keep this still going because, like, I don't care. Oh, okay, you did not just hear that? Bruh, I have to retape it again. Okay, I'm sorry, I have anger issues, okay? Don't judge me. I have to redo that whole thing now. I'm gonna start a trash pile right here in front of the camera so I have space for stuff. Okay. No paper wasted because it broke. No, it's not. Okay. I was about to say, my mom took the scissors again. Anyway, I wish I could go live, but my mom won't let me, so I can't go live. And if I go live, I don't think anybody would watch it anyways. I'm not that popular. A lot of people unsubscribe to me, so I don't know why the problem. What, am I making bad content? Am I struggling to be a content creator? To be a puppeteer? Bruh. Stick on already! One side on and the other side on. Too big. Why does it keep doing that? Okay, I'm gonna pause it. It keeps breaking. Okay, I'm gonna pause this until I get the right thing. And it broke again. I finally got it on correctly. Yeah, I kind of screamed. Took so many tries. I just don't even know how we're gonna make 4 of these without having a temper tantrum, like I always do making dragons. I'm gonna digest all this tape in a minute. Keeps going down. Oh. Anyways, yeah, I don't know what to talk about here. But like, yeah, I wish I could go live. But would anybody watch it? Are you an old fan or a new fan? Like, please, if you're a fan. I have, like, no fans. It doesn't look good right now, but it will at the finished result. Okay. Wait, is this a tiny base or long base? Tiny base. Tiny base. Okay. Cut, cut. Cut, cut. .6 minutes video already. Part 1 was like 2 when I accidentally stopped recording. I wish it would have saved. I wish I could just do this in all of one video. Wait, I'm verified, right? Oh crap, I am verified. So that means, I guess, it doesn't say the verified sign when I comment though, which is weird because I did verify myself. Because now I can pin. But like, I don't get it. I have the community page and everything. It just won't say the verified sign. Wait, can you guys see the verified sign when I comment? Or no? Don't mind the background noise. That's just my sister being rude to my mom. Okay, yeah, okay, so excited to see how this turns out. Hopefully it doesn't turn out that bad. Because if it turns out bad, I'm actually gonna cry. I want this to be a good dragon. Sorry for all my yapping. And if you want me to pause the video or not. Because I can if you don't want me. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just too concentrated. I just say random stuff. Sorry, I'm kind of annoying. Meow, 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 la 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 la. Okay, yay, okay. I'm sorry. Okay. The bottom is a little too big for my small little midget fingers. Wow, if you're actually watching this and you're to this point, thank you so much. Like, you don't know how. happy I am. Because I can't believe we're just still here after all this yapping I've been through. And if you're a fan watching this right now, bravo. Thank you. Okay, time to tape them together. Wait, should I do a bottom one? Should I do a bottom of this? Sure, I will. I don't care. Yeah. Okay, so how about I ask you guys some questions? How was your day? If you answered good, then that's good. If you answered bad, what happened? I don't want anyone to have a bad day. I mean, we all have bad days. Even I have bad days. Almost every day is a bad day. Just kidding. Almost every day is good. But like, don't worry. Just go through my videos. Go through my videos and you might have a little laugh. Some of my videos are kind of funny. Some of them are just stupid. I don't know if I like how that feels. Yeah, I think I like the other better. No! See, I'm having a bad day right now. But I'm having a good day now because all my fans are watching this. Oh dang, is that a police car outside my house? Somebody's in trouble. If you guys listen closely, you can hear it. No, actually, what is that? I gotta check that. Hold up, guys. Okay, I didn't see anything, but I just heard like a million police cars outside my window. I don't know if somebody get arrested or they're just traveling for ice cream. Oh, and one more thing. There we go. In the trash pile they go. Okay. That's blocking the camera. If this takes me hours, I'm gonna cry. I'm sorry, guys. Police cars are going crazy outside my window. Just random people are outside my window. they're loud. Here we go. Here's the base. Whee! Oh, okay. Time for another one. If I hear one more freaking police car outside my window, I'm gonna flip. It's giving, hey, Mr. Policeman vibes. Wow, I can't believe y'all are still here. Why would you want to be in a boring video? Like, isn't this boring to you? If you reached this far, bravo. Here's a trophy. Thank you so much for watching. If you're only watching just to do the Forge On, I hope yours is a success. I don't think mine is gonna be. Like, good job. If you're making your first dragon right now, good job. Good job to all the puppeteers and people out there. If you are watching this, thank you so much. Bruh, I'm hearing like 50 million police cars outside my window. What are they doing in the complex? Yeah, I live in an apartment. In my opinion, I think living in an apartment is better than living in a normal house. Like, I'm sorry, no offense. Like, I'm not trying to offend people. But, like, I think it's just better in my opinion. Because if someone breaks in, then it's a more higher chance that they won't choose your house. Like, if you have a fear of people breaking in, I think living in a complex is safer. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to offend people with beautiful houses. Like, people have a mansion. I mean, if you live in a mansion too, then you can hide in one of your bajillion rooms. I'm just saying, like, I don't know why I'm talking about this, but like where I live, it's pretty safe. I've been here 3 years. No one has ever come in this house. And if someone does, and if they take one of my dragons, I'm gonna slap them right across the face. No one ever takes my dragons. Okay, this is the tricky part. You're gonna take your 2 bases and combine them. All right. Hold up. The day that I met you, started dreaming. But why is that base so smaller? The day that I met you, started dreaming. I don't like it. Mine's not a success. Alright, but now we gotta make a design for it. Like a really cute design. Should I do the inside first? I'm gonna do the inside first. I'm gonna just tape this bit. Okay, this little thing, this little part needs to be taped. Okay, let's see how this would work the other hand. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. I might take a break for a while. I gotta tape this back together. How? I'm gonna tape this bit. No, I wasn't meant to say the bad word. I meant bit. If you think I'm the bad word, then you're so wrong. My phone does not like to stay up. Okay, I'll come back to you guys when the inside design is ready. Wait, I'm gonna do a part 3. Yeah, I'm gonna do a part 3. I'm gonna take a break for a bit. See ya.